Hi, welcome back to the Fenton History Center. I'm Victoria Parker, curator here at the Fenton. We're bringing you some behind-the-scenes videos. Now, if you've been on a tour with your 4th grade class, there's a good chance that you have seen one of these already. Some of you might remember them growing up. This is a shoulder yoke. So, you can see it's hand-carved. Put it on my shoulders, and it makes carrying things much easier. This should have rope here and hooks to carry buckets of water. So before there was indoor plumbing, you would very likely have to walk to the well and get water and walk back. And this is obviously much easier to carry the heavy buckets distributed the weight over your shoulders instead of in your hands. There's one behind me on the table here that is an artifact in the Fenton collection. What you can see has been used a lot. The paint's rubbing off, and it has these metal hooks tied on each end. So if you were responsible for fetching water, you would consider yourself very fortunate to have a shoulder yoke like these, and it makes your work a lot lighter. So the next time you have to carry something heavy, think about all the people that used a shoulder yoke and all those people that wished they could, if only they could have a shoulder yoke to make that burden lighter, easier to bear. The Fenton History Center is regularly updating their Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter accounts, as well as our website, fentonhistorycenter.org. So keep an eye out. Please send us donations. We can't accept artifact donations at this time, but monetary donations would help us out. We look forward to hopefully being able to see you in person again soon. But in the meantime, keep liking and sharing our videos. Thanks for watching.